Today we'll discuss control statements. Control statements, conditional statements. I hope you know these, so I will show you how to use these control statements in SAS. Concept is same, but way of writing is different in SAS. I'll show you. So mainly if then, else, where, and do loops. Okay, see what are the operators can be used here. Logical operators. And, or, not. And, symbol, or, pipeline symbol, not, capsule. See, in SAS, we have an advantage. We can use either operator, means this name, or symbol. Anything can be used here. You can write the word, or you can use a symbol. You can write the word, not, or you can use a symbol. So, and, for example, there are two conditions. And means both conditions should be satisfied. Or means any of the condition. Not means we know, not equals. Next, comparison operators. Equal, not equal, greater than or equals, less than or equals, in. These are the comparison operators. Next, arithmetic operators. Addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, arithmetic operator. Next, other operators. Between, not between. Like, not like. Contains, not contains. These are the other operators. Control statements. Okay, first of all, see here one point note. So these operators, between, not between, like, not like, contains and not contains. These operators can be used only with where statement. So these six operators we can use only with where statement. Means with these operators we cannot use with if statement. Say these logical, comparison, arithmetic. These operators we can use with if and where statements. Okay. But these six operators, between, not between, like, not like, contains and not contains. These six operators we can use only with where statement. We cannot use with if statement. So here I have the raw data in SAS user. Just I can use this. Copy and no need to import every time. So if statement, first of all, simple one. The if statement is used in this case to select out observations to keep in a data set if they meet the specified condition. So here we can apply a condition. If the condition is satisfied, then only it can keep those observations into the new data set. See another one like this. Processing only those observations that meet the condition. Processing only those observations that meet the condition. You can see the syntax. Data, new data set name, set source data set. So here we can write the if condition. So this is the syntax. Here we can write the condition as per our requirement. Okay, I'll show you some examples. Okay, first I want to print EMP data. Say print data EMP run. Say EMP data. So these are the variables: employee number, employee name, job, manager, hire date. Okay, so on. Okay, here this is the reference variable, a department number, and here these are the groups: 10, 20, 30. These. Because simple requirement, I want to create a new data set employee 1. There I want to keep only department number 30 employees data. So then see here, data, new data set name, employee 1, set employee. If here we can write the condition. Condition is this one. Department number should be 30. Now while reading the data from source data set to new data set, it will check this condition. If department number is equals to 30. If this condition is satisfied, then only it can process those observations from source data set to new data set. Okay, execute this. See now, new data set, we have only this department number 30. These observations. Because here the condition is satisfied. Next, same data, one more requirement. Okay, now this is the reference variable, job. Here see we have these groups: clerk, salesman, manager, analyst, president. So we have these groups, 5 groups. Okay, now from job variable I want to keep only manager data. So I'm creating the new data set employee 2. So here I want to keep only job manager. So we can use like this symbol or keyword, anything, no problem. Next, job is a text variable. So these are the character observations. Always character observations should be in the quotes. And we know always conditions are case sensitive. So here these are in the uppercase, capital letters. So here we can write like this, where job equal manager. See now. So we have only manager data. 10th department manager, 20th department manager, 30th department manager data. For character observations, we should follow this within the single quotes and case sensitive. Okay, one question now. Suppose data is like this. Edit mode. So observe the problem now. EMP data. Okay, job variable. Manager. So all are capital letters. Next, manager. Some are capital letters and some are small letters, mixing. And here all are small letters. Now I want to get all manager data, even small letters, capital letters, mixing, anything. I want to get all managers data. So if you're writing like this now, it will keep only one observation. See, Only one observation it is showing. Suppose if you are writing like this, it will show only one observation, small letters one. See? But I want to get all managers data, 3 observations. So we have character functions. Later we'll discuss this. Uppercase function, lowercase function. First uppercase means it can convert everything into uppercase, capital letters. So if you are applying like this, uppercase of ABC. So it can convert everything into capital letters. See? Next uppercase of ABC, all are capital letters. So again same output, capital letters. So mixing, again output is capital letters. So it can convert everything into capital. Suppose we have lowercase, vice versa. It can convert everything into lowercase, small letters. See? So here with control statements, I can use the function also. So it is only while comparing, not to change the data here. So here uppercase of, what is the variable name? Job is equals to manager. Means while comparing the condition, it can convert internally everything into capital letters. I have given here capital letters. Okay, then see. We can get everything. Even suppose here A is the capital or N is capital, everything we can get it here. For example, here again M is a small, A is the capital. Like this. Now execute this. So it is showing this one also, manager. So everything we can get here, all manager data, even small letters, capital letters, or mixing. Or we can use reverse like this. So if you are using here lowercase function, then you can take this one, small letters. Same output. Anything we can use, either this one or this one. Okay. So these are the examples here for equal operator. Next, vice versa, reverse, not equal. So here we can write just this one, not equal symbol. Suppose there will be different departments. I want to keep all other departments except 30. Okay, then see here. So here we have other departments, exclude 30. So means 10, 20. It's showing these departments, not equals. Next, suppose from the job variable, I want to keep all other groups except manager. Same, here we can use the keyword NE, not equals. You see? Now we have here other groups except manager, clerk, salesman, analyst, president, see other groups we have. Okay, not equal operator examples. So we can use symbol or keyword, anything in SAS. In some programming languages, we should use the symbols only. We cannot use the keywords. But here it is possible in SAS. Next, OR operator. Okay, suppose here class data. Okay, observe this. I want to see gender is the first reference variable. Here we can observe male data, female data. I want to keep all female data. Okay, I want to keep all female data. And next I want to keep the male data also, but okay. So otherwise for this one I will take the EMP data only. Okay, first simple example first I will take EMP data. First, okay, tell me this one. Job is the reference variable. We have their different groups. Here I want to keep clerk data, salesman data, both. Okay, clerk data, salesman data, both I want to keep. Okay, I'm creating the new data set employee 1. I want to keep clerk data, salesman data both. So you can write like this. If job is equals to clerk, we can use the operator or. Job is equals to salesman. You can write the program like this, or we can use parentheses also. Okay, this is one condition. Next, this is one condition. So like this also we can write. Okay, if any of the condition is satisfied, either this one or this one, I want to keep those observations because I want to get clerk data, salesman data, both. So execute this. So here we have now clerk data, salesman data. So like this we can use or. If any of the condition is satisfied, I want to get the output. Okay, if for this requirement, here actually we can use in operator also. You can see how to use in operator for the same requirement. Here we can write if job in we get the same out. In means include. Even you can write one more also if you want. Suppose I want to keep manager data also. So we have clerk data, salesman data, manager data. Or else I want to only manager clerk. So now we have clerk, manager data. We can use in operator also like this. Next, not in operator. That means reverse, exclude. I want to keep remaining all other groups, exclude these two. See, it's showing the remaining groups, salesman, analyst, president, except clerk and manager. You can use not equals, not in also like this. So in, not in. Next we can use here and these operators, and greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, these operators. You can see the requirement here. PMP data. Now this is the reference variable sal. So salaries are like this. See, from 800 to 5,000 for the employees, from 800 to 5,000. Now I want to keep the salary between this range people only. So 1,000 to 2,000. So I want to keep only those employees who are getting the salary between this range, 1,000 to 2,000. So here we can use this data, new data set name, source data set. If salary greater than or equals to 1,000 and salary less than or equals to 2,000. So you can write like this. So execute. So between the range salary, between 1,000 to 2,000 only. Observe. These employees are getting the salary between 1,000 to 2,000. You can use like this. And. Or here you can use a symbol. Instead of this, you can use underset. So same output we can get. Same. Or we need to write the condition like this, based on the salary and based on the commission and based on the department number. Suppose three conditions are there. Okay, see here. Now this total one is one condition. Ampersand, and second one is like this. Commission greater than or equal to 500 and commission less than or equals to 1,500. Next, one more condition, and department number should be 30. So multiple conditions. So three conditions. Salary should be between this range, 1,000 to 2,000. Commission should be between this range, 500 to 1,500. And department number should be 30. See, three conditions. See here now. So here all three conditions are satisfied. Salary between 1,000 to 2,000. Okay. Commission between 500 to 1,500. See here I have given this one. Greater than or equals. So that's why it is showing 500 also. And department number 30. So three conditions satisfied. Showing these observations. Sometimes we may use the mixed operators. Mixed operators. Okay, now see the example. Suppose class data. So here I want to keep all female data, and I want to keep the male data also, but where age greater than or equal to 15. If the male age greater than or equal to 15, then only I want to keep. But for a female, I want to keep everything, all observations. So in that case, data, new data set name, source data set. If gender is equals to female. Here gender is equals to male and age should be greater than or equals to 15. So here we are using OR, and here within this we are using AND, like this. Multiple operators also can be used. So observe, female data. Next, gender is equals to male, and any condition. No. So why it is not showing male data? Then female data it is showing. If gender is equals to, oh, sorry, it's only one is the capital. Okay, now see it. It's showing all female data and showing the male data also. So where age greater than or equal to 50. See, conditions are always case sensitive, so be careful. So I have given these also capital. So condition not satisfied. That's the problem. The conditions are case sensitive. So we can use mixed operators also in one example. It depends upon your requirement. So like this we can use different operators by using if step.